Today, we're going back to the basics with a cooking essential: how to bake chicken breast. If you've ever found yourself with dry or overcooked chicken, stay tuned for some tips on achieving perfectly baked chicken breast. Let's get started. Step 1. Preheat the oven and prepare the chicken. First things first, preheat your oven to 350°F or 177°C. While it's heating up, let's prepare the chicken. Step 2. Season the chicken. Seasoning the chicken with salt, pepper, and any desired herbs or spices is key to flavorful chicken. Step 3. Use olive oil for moisture. To keep the chicken moist during baking, drizzle it with a bit of olive oil. Step 4. Place the chicken in a baking dish. Transfer the seasoned and oiled chicken to a baking dish. Step 5. Bake in the preheated oven. Now, it's time to bake. Place the baking dish in the preheated oven. Step 6. Check for doneness. After about 30 to 35 minutes, it's crucial to check for doneness. Using a meat thermometer to ensure the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165°F, 74°C. Step 7. Let it rest before slicing. Once the chicken is done, allow it to rest for a few minutes before slicing it into portions. Step 8. Serve and enjoy. There you have it. Perfectly baked chicken breast ready to be served. Baking chicken breast doesn't have to be intimidating. With these simple steps, you can achieve a delicious and moist result every time. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.